We're all swimming in an ocean of data. Businesses have millions of data points on their customers, but so many of the interactions we have still feel, well, pretty generic. So how does any company actually cut through all that noise and make you, the customer, feel like they actually get you?
Have you ever had that feeling where a business just seems to be reading your mind? You're thinking about a product, and bam, an ad for it just pops up. Or you have a problem, and somehow their customer service team already knows what you need. It's not a coincidence, I promise. So how are they doing it?
And there it is. It's not a crystal ball. It's not magic. It's powerful, integrated artificial intelligence working tirelessly behind the scenes. And today, we're going to pull back the curtain and break down exactly how this works, using Salesforce as our guide.
So, what's the big hurdle for modern businesses? It's personalization at scale. We all expect these unique, personal experiences, right? But companies have to deliver that same feeling to thousands, sometimes millions of customers all at once. That's a scale that is just impossible for any human team to handle on their own.
And that's exactly where an AI assistant comes into the picture. For this explainer, we're going to focus on one of the biggest names in the game, Salesforce Einstein. Think of it as the AI designed to be the brains behind the entire customer operation. So what is this thing really? Well, the easiest way to think about it is like an AI brain that lives right inside your CRM, your customer relationship management system. Its whole job is to take all that messy data and turn it into something useful. Clear insights, smart automations, and genuinely personal interactions with your customers. Okay, so that's the big idea. But how does this AI actually solve the real problems that businesses are dealing with every single day? Let's get into the specifics. Let's start with a big one, prediction. Every business on the planet wants to know who's likely to buy something, and just as important, who's about to walk away. Just guessing and hoping for the best? Yeah, that's not a great strategy.
This is where predictive analytics is a total game changer. The AI just dives into all your data, historical sales, every customer email, market trends, you name it, and starts building a model to predict the future. It's all about finding those crucial patterns that, let's be honest, a human would probably miss.
And this is where it gets incredibly powerful in the real world. Instead of just a gut feeling, you get a concrete forecast for next quarter's sales. The AI might flag a specific customer and say, hey, there's a 75% chance this person is going to cancel. And then it can automatically trigger a personalized retention offer to try and keep them. It's proactive, not reactive.
All right, next up, guidance. Your teams are juggling a million things at once. How on earth do you make sure they're making the smartest move every single time? Like, which sales lead should they call right now? Or what's the perfect thing to offer an unhappy customer? Well, the answer is AI-powered guidance. This includes awesome tools like lead scoring, which basically ranks all your potential customers by how likely they are to buy. And then there's next best action, which is like an AI co-pilot, whispering real-time recommendations to your team about what to do in any situation. And the amazing part is how specific this gets. We're not talking about some vague, hey, sell more advice. It's telling your sales team to focus on these specific leads because they are red hot. It's a pop-up on a screen suggesting a 10% discount for a high-value customer, or a prompt for a service agent to send a small gift after a bad experience. It's intelligence delivered at the perfect moment. And then there's the problem of just the grind. The boring, repetitive work. Answering the same simple questions over and over. Generating standard paperwork. It's soul-crushing, and it drains time and energy away from the work that actually needs a human touch. And this is where intelligent automation swoops in to save the day. You basically let the AI take over all those predictable, routine tasks. This frees up your human experts to focus on what they do best, solving complex problems and building real relationships.
And the outcome? Oh, it's a huge boost in efficiency. Imagine AI-powered chatbots answering, "Where's my order?" instantly, any time of day or night. The system can scan incoming support tickets and automatically send the most critical ones straight to your most experienced agents. And when a deal gets the green light, the contract is generated automatically. It is the definition of working smarter, not harder. So all these features sound pretty cool, right? But do they actually work? Do they move the needle? Well, the data, it tells a pretty clear story.
First up, a 25% increase in customer retention. Just stop and think about that for a second. By using AI to make customers feel understood with personalized recommendations, companies are keeping a quarter more of them from leaving. That is a massive, direct impact on the bottom line. Next, how about a 30% improvement in sales efficiency?
By focusing sales teams only on the prospects that the AI has identified as most likely to buy, they're spending way more time actually closing deals and almost a third less time chasing dead ends.
And it's not just about doing things better, it's about doing them faster. Prioritizing the right prospects has led to a 15% reduction in the sales cycle. That means the time from first contact to a signed deal shrinks, and that revenue hits the bank account sooner.
And this one might be the most mind-blowing of all. One company, by using AI chatbots and smart case routing, cut its average customer response time from a full 24 hours down to under 5 minutes. The difference that makes to the customer experience is, well, it's monumental.
Okay, so you can see the potential here is just massive. The next logical question is, where do you even begin? The good news is it's not as scary or overwhelming as you might think. It all starts with a few clear steps. Now, of course, with great power comes great responsibility, right? When you're implementing AI, there are a couple of things that are absolutely non-negotiable. If your training data is biased, your AI will be biased. Simple as that. So using diverse data and running regular audits is crucial. And for data privacy, strong encryption and strict access controls aren't just nice-to-haves, they are essential. Look, the big takeaway here is you don't have to do everything at once. You can and should start small. First, just explore some hands-on learning to understand what's even possible. Second, pick one specific goal, like setting up a simple chatbot or turning on lead scoring. And third, really visualize your customer's journey and ask, where could AI make the biggest difference? So here's the bottom line. This isn't some far-off science fiction idea anymore. AI is here. It's happening right now, and it is fundamentally changing the relationship between businesses and their customers. The only real question left is, what's your next move going to be?